location of the fuse box inside Suzuki Grand Vitara. In this particular instance, it's a right-hand drive UK model. I have got a video of the location of the fuse box in the engine compartment, and this one is interior, can be found on the driver's side. Please excuse the state of my car, it's a real mess, but never mind. Yeah, so for some reason it's a strange place to put it, or not so much strange as hard to get to. It's basically up under here, and I find that if you take this plastic cover off, pull that down, you've got a Phillips screw there. There's only 4. You'll be able to get to see it better. So that's, don't forget the one in the little pull down. And you've got 3 across the bottom here. One in the middle. And then make it very easy to, that's it. You do make it very easy to deal with everyday maintenance stuff like filling up, topping up levels, things like that. Now, you don't have to take this off, but I find it's dead easy, and you just prise it out with your fingers, little clips. If I can get my camera to show you, just little clips all the way around. There you go, just prise it out, and it drops away. So we'll move that out of the way. Now you have to get right inside. I wonder if I can get my light on to show you a little bit easier. You just have to be, again, it's awkward with when you've only got one hand. No. What you're after is, there's your fuse box. That's your cover, and it should just, again, prise out, but as you can see, it's a little bit awkward. There you go. That just pulls off. You got the fuse descriptions on the cover, and then you've got your fuses along there. So in this UK model or version of the Mk2 Suzuki Grand Vitara, it's on the right hand side of the footwell, the driver's side, on the right hand bulkhead. It could be different for left hand drives, it could be on the left hand side, but that's where it is on the Mk2. Again, unusual for Japanese because it's quite awkward. But there you go, I hope it helps. And now I've got to swap hands because I'm left-handed. I have to recover the plastic cover and put it back on. So it's I can't remember which way. I think it's that way. The wide end. If you have a look at it, it's wider this end. I think that goes to the right. You have to prise it in around the wires that are in the way. Again, fiddly, which, like I said, is, I keep saying, for Japanese manufacturers, most unusual. Should just clip. There you go. That's it. Clips in the wide end nearest to you, the narrow end towards the front of the bulkhead. Okay, so thanks for watching. If I can get myself out of this footwell, I'll see you in the next one. Oh dear. Of course, got to put the cover back on. The plastic cover that we took off. Wow, it's a bit of a contortionist. Yeah, so obviously you've got to put this plastic cover back on that we took off originally. But if you don't have to take it off, it's just, I think it's, you get to be able to see a little bit more daylight under there. It only takes a few seconds. So I'm now going to put that back on. So 3 across the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 1. There, that's in this little pull down. Can't open it. There. That's that one in there. Right. Get those screws on. I'll say thanks for watching. Whew. I've just had my tea as well. It's not good news, that.